and welcome to the Ketoing Viking. I'm the Ketoing Viking, and today we are going to experience fish. Fish with lime salsa. Today we're going to start out with 3 fish fillets. I'm going to add butter. On keto, you can have as much butter as you want. I used to be afraid of butter. Everybody in the 80s decided to do margarine. Well, margarine's no good. So butter it is. So we're going to get that nice and hot. Meanwhile, we're going to add a little bit of my homemade vinegar. And actually what this was wine, and it got old. But this takes the fishiness out of the fish. If you don't have homemade vinegar, I would suggest using some wine, some red wine. Let that get hot. But today we are using tuna fillets. You can use any kind of fish that you like. Trout, salmon, tuna, swordfish. And while our fish is simmering in the background, we are going to start with our lime cilantro salsa. Add a big bowl, and to that we are going to add 1 diced tomato, a little bit of cilantro, an avocado. Now, when you cut an avocado, it's really simple. I keep mine in the fridge because it preserves the ripeness, but I cut it in half and I take the skin off. Voila. Beautiful. Get any last remaining out of there. Done. Where'd you come from? Can't have any scragglers. Okay. Lime. Again, you put fear into it. You show it no mercy. And a little bit of lime. And you make a mess. Because that's the theme. A little bit of my lava salt and a little bit of black garlic. So we're just going to mix this around. It smells amazing. We're going to wait till the fish is done. Now you'll notice when you're doing the fish that there's going to be some fat coming off. That is the healthy fat. It is perfectly safe to eat. And you notice the black color. Of course, that's lava salt. Tastes like dragon tears. So I'm going to let that fry up some more. And eventually, I'm going to turn everything over and it starts to brown. This one's coming out in chunks. Losing it, I'm losing it. It's okay. Still edible. And I'm separating the good fat. You can give these to the animals. Or whatever you want to do with those. Good fat. And even add it to soup if you wanted to. Ah, I'm making a mess. Ah, Vikings and their mess. See how the coloration's fixing itself? It's getting better and better. Okay, and one more time we're going to flip them over. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, so beautiful. And I believe that is done. Okay, I'm going to grab some salsa. All right, here I go. Straight out of the pan. Hot. Oh, that's hot. But delicious. Fit for a Viking. Skål.